How to create an account on Jiffcy. Hey guys, on this video I'll be teaching you how to create an account on Jiffcy. Create an account in Jiffcy. All we need to do is open up our Jiffcy right here. Once you open up our Jiffcy right here, next thing we need to do is click on create new account. All we need to do is press on create new account right there. As a person create new account, you need to enter your mobile number. So we'll be entering our mobile number right here, and then we'll be clicking on send right there. After doing that, you should receive a SMS message right here. There. Then I'll have to wait. I'll see you guys in a few seconds. Now once we have entered the code right here, all we need to do is click on check right there. And then we have to wait. There you go. Now we have first name. Then here, enable notification and microphone access. You can turn on if you want, or no thanks. You can also turn on right there. There you go. Allow notification. What is your gender? We're gonna put in male. Birthday, so we're gonna put in a random number. There you go. Then next, then here we can put it. What's your occupation? About college. Then here you'll see all of that. There you go. You can put it that, and add the profile photo so your friends know it's you. So I'll see you guys in a few seconds. And there you go guys, as you can see we have added our photo right there. Click on next. There you go. To wait a few seconds right here. There you go. So there. So yeah, there you go. That's how I do it. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you enjoyed, if you have a question, consider stop with the question below guys. I'll be the answer as soon as possible. Here on the rocket guys. There you go. And there you guys. Thank you guys.